Hey folks, it's Mark Collard here, and this is probably my 16th attempt to try and record a sneak peek of what's coming in Playmeo's biggest and most ambitious project yet since we launched in 2012. You're not going to see me on screen for too much because I want to show you what occurs on both desktop and mobile for these big changes. So let's dive in. Okay, overlooking for a moment that guy on the screen who's talking to you, I want you to focus over here on the right-hand side. Now, in this first part, what are you trying to get done? We've always met our subscribers, our users of the database with what they're trying to get done. And so this just makes a lot of sense to begin with. So we're really asking you just two questions. The first thing is, what are you trying to get done? And most importantly, how much effort do you as a facilitator, corporate trainer, teacher, and so on want to put in or have time to put in? And this is revolutionary, is that everything from no effort, basically the activity runs itself, through to maximal effort. Now, I will say 80% of our activities are no effort, low effort, or some effort. So you're not going to find that many of the activities are going to require much effort at all, but we give you a chance to be able to identify that is right up front. So we've got get to know activities with no effort, find my activity, and it brings you straight to the database. And now this won't be too unfamiliar, except it looks a little bit different for many of our users. So it is here, but what you want to note is this little area down here that notes with the little couch. These are all activities that come with no effort. And so we've got 61 activities. And importantly, because you don't have a lot of time, but you don't often have a lot of real estate on the screen. And so now when you pull open the filter, it actually just pulls in from the side. So already we've got two filters, the get to know you, and there's this new filter here that you can now also budge. So now I might be saying, oh, actually, I want to see a few more options. So we'll go from no effort to some effort or a little bit of effort. But you can open up many of these for that purpose. But can I also show you the three new ratings that you can, or the three new filters, I should say, that you can also set up? One is the setting. That is, where are you going to be running the program? Indoors, outdoors, in a seated environment, is it confined? Or virtual, which of course we've always had available for a while. And by great demand, the type of group. In a sense, it's asking what is the age of the group, but we're really looking at developmental or abilities here, generally speaking. Children, teenagers, young adults, mature adults, which is the biggest group, and then older adults. And then finally, here's your effort rating, which is what we showed you before. So all of these are available, particularly if you are an annual or monthly pro subscriber and above. And it's just as simple as clicking the tick, and it'll then help you facilitate that filter. So that's one thing to be aware of. All of the normal things that you're used to inside the activity are there, including most of them have a video that, in this case, you can go straight to the video when you get to the very top. And of course, all of the other tabs, the step-by-step instructions, the practical leadership tips, the variations, and so on. But I think the most exciting development has been this focus on using AI as a way to assist you to make programming decisions. And so by clicking the Flow AI button, it opens up a slide bar that provides you with 4 different programmatic options. The first one is to build a program for up to 3 hours, but maybe you only need it for 10 minutes. And it'll help you give a whole sequence of activities that will help you achieve your particular objective. Or to adapt activity, which we'll look at in just a moment. That is, you take an activity that you've already read on playmeo and you go, oh, but I need to adapt it in a particular way. That's how you would use this. Debrief questions. This is a great one because it'll truly help you understand how the activity can be designed in a way that can make you or help you use questions that really dive in to the substance of the activity that you've presented to your group. And then before and after is about what activities would I use before this activity, or what activities could I use that follow it up? And it's as simple as clicking the box. It'll then open up with a dialogue. In this case, it says, describe your adaptation, be as specific as possible. So I might say, I have a student in a wheelchair. How will this work? And off it goes. You'll click the generate adapted and it'll give you some ideas of ways you can adapt the activity depending on what you've asked for the variation, to be able to give you a few clues about what to do. So that's really, really exciting for us. And it is available to all of our our monthly and annual Pro subscribers and above. And that is the Lazy Facilitator Playbook. From here, it will open up a huge compendium, a guidebook that will help you hone your skills to be able to facilitate groups effectively and successfully. And we call it the Lazy Facilitator Playbook because it's all about low effort but maximum outcomes or maximum benefits. And there are 4 levels that you can choose to be able to dive into. The fundamentals of facilitation, so those philosophical frameworks that really help you understand how to do your job. Practical strategies, things that are actually practically oriented that help you make a difference with the groups that you're working with, that sort of meet those challenges that you get from day to day. Tools and resources, just to help you get stuff done, to help you make better decisions, particularly when you're time poor. And then there's a bunch of insights and inspiration with articles and research and science behind the work that we do. Again, all of this is available to our pro level subscribers and above. We're also excited to be able to introduce to you a new individual subscription plan. There's the Essentials, which gives you basic access to the database. Pro level, which gives you unlimited access to all of our productivity tools, including Flow and the new Lazy Facilitator Playbook. And now there is Mentor, which is all of the above, plus monthly one-on-one consultations with me to be able to tackle any facilitation issue or problem that you're working with. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick glimpse of what it looks like on a small screen now. Okay, so you're now looking at the mobile version. We've already gone through how you would first start from the home page, but you'll notice that again, the menu pulls out from the side. We'll go to the activities to check those out. And so this is what you can expect to work with. And of course, anytime you open up an activity, it's going to fit within the small screen as well. So everything is now designed to make it super easy for you to be able to work with in your mobile phone. It's always been mobile friendly, but to be honest, now it's mobile first in its design. Everything was designed first from a small screen before moving to the bigger screen. And in this case, when you're playing with this, you're going to find all of the other buttons that you need down towards the bottom. So the snapshot, of course, you can add a snapshot, get a sense of what the activity is all about. And then, of course, Flow, which, as we had used before, is available to you right there. So here's an example of me using Flow and the debrief questions. I've got the detective, and I might say, what's my focus here? Focus. Focus on communication issues. And I can always tell them something more about this corporate group. And off we go. And then once I hit debrief questions, it'll come back with the content that I'm looking for, a whole bunch of questions that'll help me develop some insights for my group, having played the activity called Detective. Okay, that was a sneak peek. There is so much more I wanted to share with you, but we're going to leave that until next week when you can actually do all of your own browsing and searching throughout the site. Hey, if you've got any questions about how this applies to you, especially if you're an active subscriber right now, you will receive some correspondence this week that'll give you those details. If not, you can also check out our blog. We've got some details there for you. If not, we look forward to launching on the 4th of June. And if you've got any questions, please email us or drop a comment in the box below. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.